guys, good day. Are we all fully vaccinated now? So we have to be cooperative to our government, and we have to settle up, and we have to be fully vaccinated so that we can access all the things we want to do in our life. Today we are going to create a tutorial about how to pay your online multi-purpose loan or any loan in Pag-ibig or housing loan in Pag-ibig. And you can also pay your contributions in Pag-ibig if you want to pay it online. So just follow the step-by-step tutorial. We are going to set it up today, and you can just follow it. It's very simple, very comfortable. You can pay it directly via online payment like bank or any platform that could settle up on how to pay the online payment in Pag-ibig. So we have to start it now and create the tutorial so that we can finish it immediately, and you could learn something on the tutorial. So let's go.
So guys, in your desktop, open your browser now and then click new tab, and then type it in your browser to www.pagibigfundservices.com/virtualpag-ibig. And then press enter, and then the website is loading now. So there you have it, the website of Pag-ibig, and then just explore it, everything. You see that there's some buttons on the left part, and then just click the agreement and the data privacy agreement, and then click OK. And then to log in, you have to click the login button on the top right part of the website. So just click the login button. There you have it, it's loading now. Just click continue, and there it is, the form. So if you have your own account already, just log in your account. So now I am inputting my email address and my password in the website, and just click the login button to open your account. So right now, so this is it. I am exploring everything in my account. So for now, I am checking, and I'm going to check first the regular savings of my account, or the contributions you are paying in your account. So just click the regular savings under the products, and there you have it. So you see all the contribution you have. So if you want to check what year, how much have you been contributed in that year, so just input the year and then just click the view contributions. So there it is. I inputted 2019, and I click the view contributions, and all of the contributions on 2019 has been displayed. So now I'm going to check, or I'm going to pay my loan in Pag-ibig. So I just click the pay online menu at the left part, and then I'm going to select multi-purpose loan, for example. So okay, I'm going to select multi-purpose loan. Just wait for a moment, and then for now it is the form is loading, and then you have to select the membership category and the payment method you are going to use for payment. For now, I'm going to use my debit card, and then for this I will input my Pag-ibig MID number. So I'm going to verify it. So I click the button verify. You'll see that it's invalid because the number I inputted is, I copied it and then paste it on the box. So to make it valid, you have to input it manually, number by number. So see that I inputted it manually, number by number, and then I'm going to click again the verify button. There it is. The account name has been displayed. So I have to input the amortization for my multi-purpose loan, the amount due. So there it is. If you input the amortization, the amount due and the convenience fee will be displayed, and the total amount will also displayed on the website. Just click next button at the bottom part, and then input the billing address of your account, or your billing address, or your present address today. So you just input everything, just input it manually, everything, and then fill it up, fill all the boxes in the form. Everything you have to input on it, so that it will proceed, or it will process immediately. No problem, no something that make you hassle, or it's going to be hassle free. So after inputting everything, just input also your number, your mobile number, and you have to check it if it is correct, and your email address, as well as your email address, it is very important. And then input also the captcha code. You see that it is there's a captcha code at the bottom part, so you have to input it correctly, and then check the I agree with the terms and condition, and then click the next button. There it is. So all has been filled up, and you have to check everything, the information you have been inputted manually, and click the proceed button if it is okay or correct already. So there it is. You're going to the payment form of the website. So you have to input your card number, your debit card number, or your credit card number, and then your expiry date, and your CVV for security, and just click the complete order button. And just click the complete order button, and then it will proceed already for your payment. It will proceed, or it will process your payment immediately. Okay, so now I'm going to check my email if the receipt or the confirmation of my payment is already there. So I'm checking now. So there it is. I got the confirmation of my payment. This is the receipt of my payment, meaning Pag-ibig Fund Services recognize my payment on this day. So there you go. It's okay now, and it's good. Note guys, if you pay now on your Pag-ibig multi-purpose loan, it will not be posted immediately. You have to wait, I think it's 3 to 5 working days or more than that. You have to wait for that, so you have to check it, I think every 2 days of the week. So thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much. I hope you learn and enjoy my tutorial. Thank you.